In this video, I will show you how to connect your Epic Games account to Twitch. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to store.epicgames.com, which is the official website for Epic Games. From here, come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see a sign in button. Give that a click and sign in with your account, or you might already be signed in. What you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your Epic Games name up here, and on this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto account. What that's going to do is take you across to your settings with your account information, and from here, if you come to the left hand side, you want to click onto linked accounts in this menu. Now this way you can come to link your Epic Games account to different accounts, for example PlayStation and Xbox. But you can see if we scroll down, there's going to be an option to link to your Twitch account down towards the bottom. So all you need to do is click onto the link button underneath Twitch. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this where you'll be able to connect your Twitch account. At this point, all you need to do is click the blue connect account button. And what that's going to do is load up a window like this where you can log in with your Twitch account. Once you've logged into Twitch, just follow the steps to connect your Epic Games account to your Twitch account. And once that's done, you would have successfully linked your Epic Games account to Twitch. So that is how to connect Epic Games to Twitch. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.